Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using the LitCommerce app. In this video, you'll learn how to set up a product feed in LitCommerce, your first step in product feed management. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify store. Go to Settings, then click Apps and Sales Channels. Next, select LitCommerce Product Feeds and click Open App. After connecting, the LitCommerce interface will display. Please note that LitCommerce Product Feeds does not connect to any third parties or marketplaces. All displayed channels are templates, not active or authorized connections. Now, search and choose the feed template you want. Fill in the required details and proceed. You'll be redirected to the Add/Manage Feeds page. On the left side menu, click All Items to check if the import process is complete. Once ready, click Import From, and your product data will start syncing. And that's it. You've successfully set up your product feed in LitCommerce. Now you can start editing your feed template to fit your needs. Want to learn more? Watch our next video on configuring feed settings for more details. Thanks for watching and happy selling!